You were the top that eclipsed the room. I was the one who arrived too soon. But no one would ever bet against us. If they saw us exchanging glances, I was too busy to fall in love. You were too busy to break my heart. Nobody else was there to stop us. Nobody else was there to warn us. Now we go on and on with this poor love song we've been working on far too long.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Valentine's Day clean and decorate with me. I am starting late, so the sunlight is about gone because it's already 3:47, but I wanted to go ahead and get started. And I have my Valentine's Day shirt, my earrings on, and just a simple little headband. But Valentine's Day is like one of my favorite holidays other than Christmas to decorate for. So I love all the things to put out and decorate and everything. So I wanted to go ahead and just do that and just like, I don't know, maybe make me feel a little bit better. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I just wanted to take a few minutes at the beginning of this video to just say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for all the sweet comments on my last video last week. It just really meant the world to me. Getting to read everything and just seeing all the good, just the nice comments. Like it truly meant the world to me. So I just wanted to say thank you.
It only hurts. I'm so tired of songs like never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you.
So whenever I vacuum the rug, I really like to just like go different ways. I like to do the slow vacuuming, which you see now. This is the actual speed that I was going. I just like to speed it up so you don't have to watch it that slow. But I try to go different ways and like different directions. And then even when I carpet clean, I like to go in one direction and then like go another direction. And again, I speed up the videos just so you won't see me going so slow. But yeah, so that's how I really like to clean, just so I can make sure I'm getting in between all the different ways or whatever. But also, I just want to point out that I do have something, I don't even know what it is, a cold or whatever you want to call it. But I am having to breathe through my mouth. And so I feel like my voice went out today, and my kids or my students were like, Miss Davis, what is going on with your voice? And I just had to tell them, I'm so sorry, like, you know, I can't talk right now.
And even when the sun begins to shine again, I've taken all the advice there is, and none of it has helped. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired.
So I decided not to buy anything new because I just feel like I just didn't need to. And two, like, I'm on a tight budget, and I just didn't want to spend any extra cash on anything right now. So I'm just using what I have. And I didn't decorate for Valentine's Day last year, so I feel like this stuff is new to me because I didn't use it last year. So I like to put everything out because I like to see all the things that I have and then I can be able to place it where I want to. But it's just easier if I just have everything sitting out on a table and then like put it where I think it should go. So that's what I usually do with all of my decor. I just put it out, and then whatever I don't use, I end up putting it back in the container. And usually I declutter, because that means if I didn't use it this time, most likely I didn't use it the last time. So that means that I just don't need it anymore. But because I am in my parents' house, I feel like some of the things that I didn't use, they would use when I moved out, because some of the stuff was theirs for my mom. And so it's just really hard for me to declutter, which that's a whole nother story anyways. But anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and start putting things out and just kind of seeing how I like everything.
He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper and started writing. Probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like ooh. Baby, I only want you. It's true. And then he said, I wrote you a love song and I tried to make it beautiful. It's a song about your sweetheart, and how nobody can steal me away. Yeah, I am yours, 'cause I want you and I wanted you to know. As he sang, she started to dance, grabbed his arm and took his hand. He held her close under the moonlight as they kept on dancing. And now they're singing their love song, and they sing it kind of beautiful.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was just something a little short and sweet for Valentine's Day. I do want to do another one for Valentine's Day. Hopefully I can get it up and out soon. And this one will be in the classroom, so it'll be closer to Valentine's Day when you see it. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, push that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any other videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!